blue blower. That's not the problem here. It's that other home. It's the single agent of disease in the whole North Country. This thing pops out a noise so far you wouldn't believe it. My sister, 3,000 miles away, tells me she hears this hum. This is so loud, you wouldn't believe it. The closed yeast plant. Unbelievable. Turn this antique engine on. This is the home worldwide. The pressure wave that comes off of this is so hard. It penetrates just about everything. Vibrates your insides like you're a chicken in a microwave. 100 miles. This is what causes autism in the North Country. Fibromyalgia. Cancer. This single infrasound in this thing. Very painful to many. Tortures me constantly. 10 miles away, I can still feel this vibration. Oh, no houses between Canada and here. My Christmases are hell. Thanksgivings are much better. This thing makes me stupider the closer I get to it.